welcome back. We're at Lucky Peak. I canoed my little butt down from Naked Rock to this nice little cove here. Got some birds flying up above and seen a couple fish jump. I don't know, maybe we'll catch one, who knows. But yeah, it's a nice little spot. So, it's a fucking nature show! Sometimes you're mistreated and people stop believing for some reason, and hope arms seem to be a blessing. Well, welcome back. My advice for you today is, just let it roll off. Like the water does on a duck. You ever watch the ducks go into the water, come back up, the water just rolls off. Yeah, I had a coworker tell me that one day when I was, feeling frustrated. And they were just like, let it roll off like a duck. And it's true. Sometimes you just gotta let it roll off. Move on. Let us sleep on the street. Promises you could not Sometimes it takes a heart to break before it can become great. Well, that's it. I didn't catch a fish. Caught a bird on the drone. It's kind of cool. See it up close. It just kind of sat there and just chilled. Yeah. So, it's a fucking nature show. Hey dude, you ever feeling low on energy, but you don't want to drink more coffee because it gives you heartburn or like tummy gut problems? Well, just have some freaking W, dude. It's good. You get no jitters, no shakes, no crash. Just pure, unadulterated energy, bro. Put it in your body.